Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you a full guide on how to take a selfie in Messenger. Whether you want to capture your best angle or share a fun moment with friends, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. If you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign into your account using your login credentials. You'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now let's explore how to take a selfie in Messenger. Tap on the camera icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the camera feature within Messenger. Next, slide your finger across the bottom cursor until it stops on Selfie. This will activate the front camera mode, perfect for capturing your own face. To frame your selfie, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This will switch the camera view to the front-facing camera. When you're ready to capture your selfie, tap on the gray circle at the bottom of the screen. After taking the selfie, you have several options. You can choose to save it by tapping on the Save button. Alternatively, you can share the selfie to your Messenger story by tapping on Share to Story, allowing your friends to view and engage with your selfie. If you prefer, you can also send the selfie directly to a friend by tapping on the Send option. Select the recipient from your contacts, and they'll receive your selfie in a chat. And that's it. You've successfully taken a selfie in Messenger. Capture your best moments and share them with friends and family. We hope you found this full guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.